How y'all doing? It's your girl, Kimmy, aka 1K Yellow Diamond. How y'all doing today? I hope you all is doing fine and fabulous. And if not, remember, you have the key to be happy. Before we carry on with the title, make sure you all hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, hit that like button, share button, and leave me a comment, okay? So, I said yes, I want to make a Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. I don't know why when I say Rasta pasta, I have to like Rasta pasta. But I'm making Rasta pasta, and yes, as y'all can tell, I am cooking early because what? My husband needs some lunch. Okay, so let's get with it. I saw at the beginning, I showed all the ingredients, and we getting ready to marinate this chicken. I don't know about marinate because I'm ready to cook this stuff. I have thighs with the skin on and bone in, because around here people like bone. I have the chicken here, and I have the jerk season. I have to say this low. Jerk season. Because some people don't like this flavor, but they won't know until I cook it, and they be like, this is good. I'm like, what you use? Jerk season. So I have some salt. I'm gonna add a little salt and a little pepper. And the jerk season. Woo! Oh, it smells so good, y'all. It smells so yummy. And use the whole jar. That's when we get down dirty. Make sure all this seasoning get on the chicken, every piece. Big piece. These are the vegetables that I'm going to add into my Rasta pasta. I'm gonna add some bell pepper, some onion, some green onion, spinach, and then cherry tomatoes. But I'm gonna have to pick these cherry tomatoes out because the spinach got to go last. So a cutting board so we can chop the onions up and the bell pepper. I'm gonna use a half a bell pepper and a half of onion, because they're and I also have some chopped garlic. Getting ready to do the sauce. Put a little olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. Rasta pasta. We got the chicken bacon in the oven, the chicken thighs with the jerk season. We got the pasta boiling in the water. I think we got like about 2 or 3 more minutes. And now we're getting ready to make the base sauce. Put half onions in one pan, half bell pepper in the other. In the other pan. Chopped garlic in both pans. Cherry tomatoes. I'm putting mine. First I was gonna put all of them. Okay, oh, it's been triple washed. No, wash it. So we're gonna go ahead and add the spinach. Mozzarella, pepper jack, cheddar, cream cheese. Rasta, a little butter, tablespoon, the Alfredo sauce, salt, We're gonna cover this up and put it in the oven for about, I would say about 15 minutes. This is the sauce. It is, it's done. So what I'm gonna do is kind of do some little mixing. Oh my goodness, it smells good. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. It smells so good. So I'm crushing up the tomatoes, stirring up all the cheeses. Make sure all them tomatoes are busted. Half in here, half in here. Move on over here, baby. Okay, next we're gonna, yeah, let me move y'all over here. We're gonna stir. Ooh, Jay, look. You see the little cheese pool. Smells so good. Ooh, this stirred up. Ooh, y'all, now this one look good. You see the little red mashed potatoes, tomatoes. Watch, everybody gonna like this one. You got this stirred up, and let's move on to the Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. Here goes the Rasta pasta. No, here goes the jerk chicken. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the season, the jerk stock chicken into. Then we're gonna stir it. Stir the pasta. It smells so good, y'all. Woo! Baby, they talking about marry me soup. You need the Rasta pasta. The chicken on top. What? No, Rasta pasta. We're gonna cover it for about 20 minutes in the oven at 375. So let's put it in the oven. And we'll be back with the finished product and the taste test. Let's get with it. It's done. Look at that. Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. Yeah, we're gonna, yummy. Yummy. Okay, y'all, we're back for the taste test. I'm so ready. So ready. So, as you can see, very nice. Have you some? Go ahead and get you some. Wait a minute. Let me bring it closer. Because y'all going to get the first serving and the first bite. I don't feed nobody but my man. Yummy. Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. Have some? Get you some. Get you some. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Oh. Here you go. Here you go, James. James, here. Oh, I still got that oven on. Let's try it. It's hot. My God, today. Baby, look at that. Y'all, this is good. I don't know if this is a healthy meal or not. I think it is. Well, not with all that cheese. Not with all that cheese, baby. That's so good. That chicken is hot. I want to try the chicken. Is that a little pea? Woo! hot. Let me give y'all a piece of chicken. Woo. Jerk chicken. Have some. Mmm. 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 Okay. I was so anxious getting to the Rasta pasta and jerk chicken. I forgot to tell you I have some avocado, tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, and some garlic cheese bread. Baby, this is a meal. So good. Mmm. And look, onion, y'all know I love onion. And if I can add fresh onions to my meal, mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Yeah, it's so good. I wish I was here to just try it. But since y'all not here, make sure you all try it at home. Chicken. Mmm. Mmm. Avocado. Mmm. I love this white onion. Mmm. 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 That's gonna do it for the video. Thanks for spending a little time with me. I hope you all enjoyed yourself. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you hit that like button. Thumbs up the video. Make sure you share it out to your social medias. Let people know about this recipe. Let people know what 1K is cooking over here. And also leave a comment. Let me know if you stop by. Just say hey. All right, y'all. I'm going to finish this up and fix my husband his lunch plate. And I'm out of here. Bye. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 Baby.